Studios Christmas version.
LTASC, we are gonna talk about some sound effects together. 2, 4, 6, 8, let's get going.
Some sounds are short, which is Raya's burping sound effect. Some sounds are medium, which is Omarashi's peeing sound effect. And some sound effects are super long, like Moonlight's 3-minute farting sound effect. Let's talk about sound effects.
Hello guys, it's me, IRL Noella. In the second to last episode of Season 7 of the Let's Talk About Sound Effects series, I will preview the peeing sound effect from Omarashi. It's from a video called Hehe Omarashi, #Omarashi, #Gacha, #Gachapee, #Poop. It was uploaded a month ago on October 26, 2025. The duration of the sound effect is 27 to 42. Let's see how many total seconds are from this video. It's 15. No, how about 14? This sound effect is 14 seconds. The lofi music will be removed at the beginning and end. Now I'm going to preview this sound effect. Previewing the sound effect in 3, 2, 1, 0. See? I told you. That's what the sound effect would sound like. This sound effect is only used for my OCs and characters when they pee in the toilet. It's just like what Marco Vieri tested the sound effect in Season 6, Episode 5, and Untold Loneliness Oswald in Episode 2. Since they both talked about and previewed this. So, anyways, I'm going to be linking the video right in the description. The sound effect starts at 27 and ends at 42. So, I will see you later in the next episode, which is the Season 7 finale, when I feature Marco Vieri and Untold Loneliness Oswald.